clap or something to I gotta separate myself. Yeah. Here we are today, folks. Got my friend Zach Ward built a beautiful guitar. I'm playing it through my Fender Princeton Reverb. I want to take you through this guitar. It's got some amazing hardware. Being a Tele guy myself, but this is a Babix. It's got some P90s, noiseless P90s, made by Railhammer. You see those on a lot of Reverends. Made the neck himself out of oak. You can see how beautiful this thing is, just a little bit of the color. Sperzels tuners. I want to take you through the first position on the neck, show you that it does a little bit of everything. It does the Tele thing. It does with P90s, you know, through a Princeton, you get a really fat, warm sound. So we're going to start with that. That's tone about 7 or 8. I like to roll it off. There's tone all the way up. Now I'm going to take tone back out just a little bit. Starting to do some of the Tele thing already, and that's still with the neck position, which you know is good with the body. This is getting to where you're hearing some breakup from the pickups, which have plenty of gas. But very clean. That's neck pickup right there. Getting into the middle, that's still nice and mellow because I got the tone just at about 0 or 1. You can play. What I like to do with these amps, I'm sure you've seen this before, take all the tone out of the guitar, you start to create fuzz with your distortion. And when you don't have your pedal board, it's pretty convincing to get that amp turned up to 5 in a loud room and just get some of the best clean fuzz tones. I like the mystery, and then you can bring back in enough tone to kind of get the fundamental back out of the guitar with the pickup shimmer involved, but not be brittle. And that's kind of like my safety test, is learning to not make a Tele brittle. It's more than you need high-end wise, but sometimes it's just right in the mix. That's middle pickup, ready to play some funk all day, or you could really rip some blues. Like a really cool solo tone he got. And this guitar plays so good. It's one of the things that you can't just... I'm a setup guy. I get used to things. I play the same gauge strings on every guitar. So when I step onto something like this, it's got 10s. It feels nice and stout. The guitar, probably about a 7-pound guitar. It's not too heavy. A little bit of that cocktail sound and bringing the tone in to get clear. It sounds good when you do that, you know, get them barking. Now back to like 7 on maybe 6. Just such a good, clean, clear tone. And let's see where that goes with the bridge. It's like my Muddy Waters blues vibe, or you could say it's beginning in chicken picking territory. If you wanted to separate it and get chicken picking, you just get the tone all the way up, I think. But I really do like that mellow sort of Rolling Stones giving that amp, you know, you hear it in the reverb. Just barking at it. What I also like, being a single coil guy, is that this guitar kind of like, it teles very well, but it's got a really warm, fat tone, and I think that's just, instead of being traditional PAF style, the P90 part of it just sounds good to me. P90s and a Princeton are some of my favorites. So here's a Quater guitar, the newest one in the line. This is cotton blue. And what you don't notice until you get up close, like everything matches really well, but this pick guard is flush, people, and that was not easy to do. That's some craftsmanship. It looks great, feels great. I would love to own this guitar. We're gonna have to play a few more gigs or so if you decide to do that.